Welcome back to another one of my videos. And if you peeped that I got the same fit on as the last video, that's because I did all my friends' hair in the same night. So a quick little background. Me and all my friends were going to an event and I wanted to do all of our hair. Like I said, I sell hair, GASAHAIR.com, and all of my friends have supported me. They all purchased their own hair from me. So I wanted to do each of them a different style, just to promote, take nice pictures, and for the sake of video. So that's why I have the same outfit. It is basically the same, just a different person. And the sad part was my battery kept dying, which you'll see in the end. I had to add in my videos that I record on my phone to it because my camera died before I could record the finishing result. And it died before I could record my other friends. Like I said, I did this all on the same day, so I didn't really have enough time to actually sit there and charge my battery. But back to this video. So, do your ball cap method however you like to do it. I like to just put a layer of glue on, let it dry, then cut off the excess wig cap, then do my 3 layers of glue, and then I like to lay the hair down. And this is a wig. Like, I don't sell wigs on my website, but I do provide the option of making the hair into a wig, which is what I did for her. I made her frontal and bundles into a wig.
What happened? Friends like these who need enemies.
Once that wig is laid down and you tie it down with the elastic band, which is very important, and I don't put hairspray on it at this point, I just like to tie it down. And her hair looks like it's all over the place, but it's not. It was just getting straightened, so it looks a little messy, but that'll fix itself up. And shout out to CC Slays for helping me straighten this hair. Like I said, I was doing hair all day, so I was getting tired, and she stepped in and helped me press out her hair. So after you want to press that out, you're going to go into actually sectioning out the front part, and I was doing flat twist. Like I said, I was giving all the girls a different style, and then we'll go into doing those flat twists.
Getting started, get it started right here. Get it started right here. About time for you to get it started. Get it started right here. Get it started right here. Last night, haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. Now I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life, best life. Haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. Now I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life.
Okay, I kind of out of order, but for the flat twist, what I like to do, I like to press out the parts that's going to be staying straight down, like actually mold those for it to stay down like that. And I like to do it with the wax stick that I just showed you, hairspray, sometimes even mousse. I can't remember if I did the mousse in this video or not, but you're just going to see that I'm flattening those parts out and going over because I want that as flat as possible. And when I prepare those sections for the flat twist, I like to use gel just so it has a very snatched look, while I have her hold her bangs part away from the rest of the hair so it doesn't get in the way.
Get it started right here. Get it started right here. About time for you to get it started. Get it started right here. Get it started right here. Last night, haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. Now I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life, best life. Haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time.
And let's do a shout out to Big Bathy, especially on this part. You know, she's just stuck on life. You know, I guess the conversation wasn't conversating. If you know, then you know. And then we're going to take that band off for the final look, get into it. We're going to touch up any little minor imperfections that's still showing at this part, as in, like, you know, maybe cutting off the extra lace. I didn't catch that on camera, but you'll see that in the front there was excess lace, like the frayed ends, and I go in and cut that off. I go in with the makeup just to clean up the parts. I go in with my root touch-up just to sharpen the hair width apart. And then just doing any extra little touch-ups. And like I said, my camera did die, so I wasn't able to record the final result on camera. But I did include the videos that I recorded and posted on my phone at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Ooh.